MXR Silicone Wiper Installation. Number 1. Rinse loose dust and debris. Number 2. Deep clean glass. Rub the glass vigorously in the direction of concentric circles. Number 3. Rinse the abrasive on the glass thoroughly with water. Wipe dry the glass. Number 4. Install the MXR Silicone Wiper. Remove the silver protective cover. Medium speed dry scrape for 5 minutes. Be sure not to get wet. Water-repellent coating in progress. Number 5. After completion, spray water to check coating effect. When the water droplets can roll off naturally, it proves the coating is completed. Now you can enjoy MXR Silicone Wipers. When the car is going faster or the rain heavy, no need to start the wipers. The rain take off naturally. Rain slides away easily and the line of sight is clear. MXR Silicone Wiper.